Alrighty, here's a little digital multimeter that little Tiger and I made. I'm not quite sure about the contrast because the board was warped originally when I got it, and it sometimes is pretty sporadic. It might have a better view from extreme angles, especially when it starts acting up. But either way, you'll see I have a very small graphical library for these LCDs. It's just like a Nokia 5110 screen from a phone, and it's pretty simple. And the library allows justification of text. So, for example, I could lay out the voltage in the middle of a larger font, and then I could have a right justify and a little offset for the auto-ranging volts and stuff like that. Alright, little Tiger will show off its auto-ranging ability. He walks over to this photocell, which is connected through a 4.7 ohm resistor to ground, and that's how I get the current. So it's just a little bit of math. It's not actually a shunt or anything like that yet. And there you go. You see it jumps to nanoamps. So that's pretty simple. And as he goes closer, but don't eat it. That's cadmium sulfide, so you really don't want to eat that. It jumps. Come on. I could have selected a better resistor for this example, but it's pretty good for now. Alright, you can go back there. You'll see if I disconnect the leg, the volts will auto range down to millivolts. And the nanoamps where it is now. Of course, I could add little checks, or if it can't possibly read down within a margin of accuracy or whatever, then I could just simplify it to 0. Nanoamps, for example, is kind of useless to display anything lower than, the hundreds. But yeah, I was thinking of adding that as well as a simple bar graph. Just to go maybe on the bottom or right side or left side or who knows or whatever. Yeah, well, that's my simple display.